Good morning. It's Monday, and today was going to be our Animal Kingdom day. However, life had other plans for us. We rescheduled, and today is going to be our Disney Springs / resort day, and then tomorrow will be our Animal Kingdom day. Yeah, it's just been an unexpected morning. So now it's about 10:20 something. It's after 10 o'clock. Our plan was to get up and do early entry for Animal Kingdom, but again, life had other plans for us today. So we stayed in bed, rested a little bit longer, and now we are ready to go. Well, mostly ready to go. Yesterday we walked over 20,000 steps, which was cool. And by the end of the night, we were both pooped. So if you didn't see already, yesterday was our Epcot day. So we did food and wine, we did Guardians, we did the aquarium, we did a lot of things we hadn't done before. So if you didn't see that vlog already, you can go check it out. But yeah, today is gonna be more of a chill day. We're having a slow start to the morning, but that's okay. So I've got some peppermint tea I've been sipping on. Both of us are trying to give our bodies a little bit of rest today, just a little more rest and take it a little bit slower. So in a couple minutes, we're gonna walk over to the parking lot, get the car, drive over to Port Orleans French Quarter, get some gluten-free beignets. And I wore my Duke's shirt from my shop, Happiest Things, for the occasion. And then we're gonna take the boat over to Disney Springs and meet our friends there later today or somewhere. We'll meet them somewhere. Today's theme is go with the flow, have fun, be present, and try not to think too much about what we were going to do, which, I mean, I've already let it go, I'm fine. But just not be too attached to plan. So we're gonna go with the flow and try to do those couple of things and just enjoy a nice day on the resort. I actually like just having a chill day. If we were staying longer, then I think we would have more of these days in between, but because it's, you know, a 4-night trip, which is a good amount of time, especially for our first time staying at a Disney resort, I think it's still a good amount of time. But if we had longer, then I think we would do more like chill, walk around, enjoy the resort days, but still having a great time. So let's go get some beignets, let's go to Disney Springs, and let's have a good go with the flow Monday. You know what? I would much rather have this kind of Monday in Disney with people I love than anywhere else. So, you know what? I'll take it. I will take it. I love that they even do this. Oh my gosh, but I forget how powdery and messy they are. Super hot. These are gluten-free and they're delicious. And right now they're very hot. And we have caramel sauce and chocolate sauce with them. But I think that they're good by themselves. I might get this. They have a lot of good stuff today. Lots of good stuff. Not necessarily that, but other things. I don't know what it is, but lately I've been obsessed with Winnie the Pooh, and they have so much cute Winnie the Pooh stuff here, like these 90s sweatshirts and a cute hat, and it's all like very simple designs, but they're so cute. So I might leave here with a few things from my Winnie the Pooh collection. we're gonna do a blind scent smelling experiment. I'm gonna mix them up and then see which one's the best. I don't really smell like anything. It's very light. Which one is? Oh no, don't tell me what it is. Okay, which one's next? This is a great format. This also smells like nothing. Ooh, this one smells good. This one smells like fall. It's like spiced. I like that one a lot. Spooky Mickey pumpkin spice. This one smells really good, actually. I feel like most of the fun is just like it's cute though. But this one definitely smells good. Fine. Here, let me pick some for you.
It's okay.
Finish through the IPA and then I have a working.
I like the beans.
You do?
So usually when
That's funny. That's cute. Oh, this one's cute too. Okay, the time has come to do my first blind pin box unboxing. Christian is here as my witness. I have some tea. I just did Duolingo. It's almost time for bed, but first, this. We haven't actually been to Animal Kingdom yet. However, I found this cute box. The other two that I've collected so far on this trip are this one from Creations Shop in Epcot yesterday, and I found this cute rose from Beauty and the Beast, which is one of my favorite animated movies, I think this was from the pin shop in Disney Springs as well. Blind pin unboxing. The options are, I don't know if you can really tell from here, but I feel like they're all pretty cute. I want to have some that I'd be happy to have, but I'd also be happy to trade. So let's open it up. Well, first let's see exactly which ones we like. There's Mickey with binoculars, Mickey with butterflies all over him, Chip and Dale, Donald, Goofy, Pluto, the whole gang, and Donald again. So I think that if I had to, again, I'd be happy with any of them, but the whole gang in the car and probably Goofy or one of the Donalds would be my top ones. And this has 2 mystery pins in it, so we shall see which ones we uncover. You ready? Are you invested in this? I'm much more invested in this than Christian is, and that's fine. That is totally fine. Oh, okay, that's exciting. They're in bags. Do you want to look and see what the options are? Give me your guess. Let's take a bet, a quarter bet, 25 cents. Or if you guess, whoever guesses correctly gets to buy a pin for the other person in Animal Kingdom tomorrow. Okay, whoever, if you guess correctly, whoever guesses correctly gets to be happy that they guessed correctly. So we're gonna bet nothing. Yeah. Okay, which ones do you think?
Pluto and Daisy.
Daisy? Are you sure that's not Donald? I thought it was 2 Donalds.
I can't see.
A duck? Pluto and a duck. Okay, Christian votes for Pluto and a duck, and I vote for Goofy and the car with everyone in it. So let's open our first one. I'm so excited. If I can. It's like opening I don't know. It's like opening something that's tough to open. Okay, here's pin number 1. It's so fun not knowing what you're gonna get. Okay. Here it is. It's Pluto.
Hey.
You were right. Too bad we didn't bet anything. Oh, that's cute. He's cute. He's got his little backpack on. This is perfect because we always have dogs over. And I'm always thinking, wouldn't it be cute if they had a little backpack? Now, that changes nothing. But this is cute. This changes literally nothing about anything. Let's see what the second one is. I love that it comes with 2. Some of them you can pay like $45 and get like 5 or 8. 27. We're not there yet. I'm not yet at the point where I want to spend my entire Disney budget on pins. Nor do I think I will ever be at that point, but you know, it could happen. Oh, also keeping with the theme of the day, our dinner plans changed, and we were gonna meet our friends at Bahama Breeze, but then we got there and then they had to cancel because the kids needed to go to bed. So it was just Christian and I, date night at Bahama Breeze, but it was still fun. And our server was sweet and kind of like quirky and funny. Pin number 2, you ready? Okay, here's pin number 2. Yeah. Christian, are you ready for pin number 2?
Yes.
What do you think it's gonna be? I can't tell looking at the screen, but I'm trying to decipher. Oh, it's the one that I wanted. It's the gangs all here. And their little safari car. And their little safari vehicle. I know it's probably really hard to tell from there. Okay, wait, that's so cute. I'm so happy that I got that one. There's some random in the back, and then there's Goofy with binoculars, Pluto, Daisy and Donald, Mickey and Minnie, and oh, that's not a random, that's Chip and Dale, I think. So I got one that I guessed, and you got one that you guessed. How adorable. That was fun. So these ones are super cute. Great teamwork. These are super cute. Very happy with these pins. And again, I will be happy to keep these or to trade these ones if I see something else in Animal Kingdom or a resort or anywhere in the Disney universe tomorrow. So we're gonna go to bed, finish our tea. I think I'm gonna do a face mask and just for a little bit. It's one of those ones that's like, leave it on for 3 hours and I'm like, I don't got that kind of time right now. So I'll probably leave it on for 30 minutes, read a book and go to bed, and then we will be up early for Animal Kingdom. So thank you for spending this not going as planned day with us. Thank you for unboxing this cute little pin set with me, and we will see you in the next one.